Are you looking for high-quality 4K Twixtor clips for your edits? Ultra HD Twixtor clips that can make your edits look more professional and cinematic. I'll guide you step by step, so make sure to watch till the end. Let's get started. Go to Ronin FX website. It's a game changer for video editors. They have over 500 clips to choose from. Whether you want F1, football, or movie scenes, they've got it all in 4K and 60 frames per second. To find something specific, just click the menu and hit Explore. I'm going to search for The Boys. Look at all these options. I'll go with this Billy Butcher scene pack. It's super high quality and ready to use. Before you download, you can see the specs. Everything is buttery smooth at 60 frames per second. Just click Download Clip. You can choose a version with color correction or a clean version for your own style. Click Download and you're done. If you are looking for raw anime clips or character voices for your edits, you need to check out animeclipsraw.fr. It is a one-stop shop for everything you need. The site is organized into easy categories: anime Twixtors, anime voices, and even movie or series clips. You can find everything from Stranger Things and Marvel to The Boys and Game of Thrones. To find Twixtors, just head to that section and pick a subcategory like side character. I'll choose Sanemi from Demon Slayer. You can choose from 4K with CC or 4K no CC versions. Just click the mega link to start your download. Need voice lines? Go to the anime voice section and select your show, like Death Note. From there, you can listen to and download iconic lines from characters like Light Yagami. It's that simple. The third platform is YouTube. First, if you're looking for something specific like anime, just search for the character name followed by Twixtor. For example, I'm searching for Kasuke Twixtor. Look for videos that mention 4K plus CC. That's where the quality is at. One of my best channels for massive cinematic packs is Shigo Edits. As you can see, they have everything from Godzilla and Pacific Rim to the MCU. Their playlists are super organized. So if you need a specific movie, this is your go-to. Another gold mine is Snotverse. They have amazing packs for Spider-Man, Wednesday, and even Alice in Borderland. Here are all high-quality Twixtor clips. So that's how you can find the best 4K Twixtor clips for your edits. All the links are in the description, so make sure to check them out. If this helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe for more editing. See you in the next video.